What's up guys, this is West Short Tech, and today we're going to be going over a brand new microphone. Apparently this is just as good as the snowball mics, and those are highly recommended by a ton of different people on YouTube. But I am going to be recording this whole video through this mic, and we're going to see how good it is. So, right off the bat, this is everything that comes in the box. I lost the file of me unboxing it. It got corrupted, and it's gone. So yeah, but this is everything in the box. We're going to go over a simple setup. I'm not going to do the big wire setup. I'm probably just going to do the tripod setup because that's going to work for the way my desk is. My desk is super thick, so it's not going to work with the other thing. But the tripod setup should work. So we're going to get everything I need for the tripod set up over here, move that stuff to the side, and we're going to set up this tripod. Now, one of the things that I have to mention is that there's a ring at the bottom of this. When you unscrew it, you're going to need that to screw it into the next piece of equipment. So once you take that off, you get this thing, you put it in top like that. The ring, you're going to put it in there and it's going to screw on. So that way you could pretty much screw that on, and then we're going to attach this to the tripod after we get this all together and sorted. Alright, so this is how the tripod will look. Put the little foam thing on top of it. And no, this is pretty much it. This is the whole setup. It plugs in via USB to the computer. So I didn't have to add anything else to the computer. I didn't have to download any software. It kind of just worked and did its thing, which is good. You know, that's what I want. Something simple that I could just plug in and just use it. So, this is basically what it looks like. Everything's set up. The whole audio of this whole video was made using this microphone. So I'm going to be using it from now on. It's been working pretty good, I'll be honest. And yeah, videos from now on will be used with this microphone. Is it as good as a snowball though? In my opinion, they're the same price. You get more stuff with this than the snowball mic. And I think, all in all, they have the same kind of voice quality. From when I borrowed the snowball mic from my friend, it seems like they all have the same kind of voice quality, which is good. I think for the same price as a snowball, you get more stuff with this, and it gives you more options to set it up to your desk or to your type of setup in a better way, because there's more options to go over. Anyways, I hope you like this. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out this mic. It is on Amazon. So, anyways, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.